Achole yo kwa chere court.
Dog actually was the epicenter.
Ma Achole oloyo ki court through consent judgment. Log me cholo chake. Lango yo gini kara Achole ka wachere court. Piana Achole succeeding. Going in court. After learning from
Actually.
Inge madong lao case gimir chero katum. Tesni oh Achole loyo gini yo. Lange bedong gimir none gengorio. So ordinarily by now, cow no fairness tie, no miro kong tiagongo, cholo pa chole. But dong, ke parliament, ministry me justice dong kate kingo, request pe budget, pa region a deke la wanchien. So la niano cha wano penyo ni pingo chol, de choro well, ma megwadok la ping penyol. Trick ma wano enene, jome lao ki jome teso. After learning experience ma megwa, Gutu chwalo well claimants gima duwa dada actually doubling megwa wa well dia magiti apenyo ne lawyer wa megwa chichok tiana rio. Owego secondly ka eneno well districts mati actually now Minister of Justice ge wadani waneno every district umiero nong a certain percentage. Now actually tiki districts aboro pian gulu city peke kwane ya.
Very one of kara eno dia pe because that was then honorable.
Karma wachako the process no Gulu City food pe no futi Gulu district so in only Gulu actually districts aboro lao districts bongwen actually para chiel barapa kai kwanyo dengo kwanyo the city then teso districts kona apa kono we check kona para rio like that so okay nero breakdown and none they got more and will claimants giduong Megwa will claimants wana.
Avoid honorable, what we do with Gamo Loki Kenya. Mego.
Omatek mao berutie, ene anga ge ma association of beruka chulone, in no repetition ge beruka do to the same people every time. Kachi ano bino, kachi, lakin gang money no peno chende. Owero, one kime go bet again, waberuki koho. Around 2015, 2016, lakit chule gitia chula nga ge. Lakit chul magone but pien chule ka ono ge chwalo through the association kong lawyer law firm kong to mege pasena pa
10%.
10.
When you 5 billion go kwa yeki.
And every money mabera kwane kono ge chwalo 750 kono 750 gito 10%, 10%, 10%. Even the 5 billion guto 10% no kago transferring your account ma wajeni 4.5 billion.
That advocate I don't know gena you go beru ki.
But you see peobero balgi. Peobero balgi pien guti yuki deroge gu negotiating ki Lodirome Association. Lodirome Association ukero chingio ni gebe chulo joni 10% of every payment. An ki kuma majami pa wara rwen.
What Lodirome district car eno were you consulted?
No. Lodirome district ko Lodirome Association executive association because that was during the court process.
Okay.
Yes. So
when you the one who you were restrained from kariwa minyotamni gini watamoni oromo tikere kuman because you are the representative of the people mageti affected.
In another gene William ka in pebere a party to the court case. Pero mo changing decision me court. Pian magen ge chero ke lawyer me chung pigi court bu negotiating terms mage chere court. Okay? So you cannot just change verbally anati one comma bidnyo MP the pet piano is a court document. Okay. Ka playing around ke court document ge wine is contempt of court. Geromo chwali gitwe bene. So so geno beratime now kelo wadong perario.
Kade gyuko ke pera wa jol mego.
Me achiel ene Kitma Association obero ka running kwere ki business. Kita dano magitika koho pechol. Gobero ka dano kwere ki chan kon gi choko chene ki borgi chol mo madi mobero ka bino pe. Me ario ene kit ma chene magibero ka chwalo. Kare beti chene tetido no. Kono billion a big, kono million mia dik. Transparency ubero pe bordo tela pa association.
No ubero by design kategori gimumo time mapeno gen.
The challenge ene Lotelame Association gubero kana gene weging gini. So kare wa luak lukoko kikome ma members magichulo chene gini duan ge moma di ubero pe. Owe Paul Pajoma gichulo gi a record book there was a time ma ana presenting him General Okainda Tafire. Machalo Minister of Internal Affairs. A presenting ati roborne
mentai court manyote ne wana chole pa wabedo piny. Pien ka ono wabedo piny maber dada, ono wane ono mier wanong chul madit maloyo. Pien center me lweny enini.
Ubedo kanyo.
Ubedo i Acholi, pa ubedo kamo.
Chimbego, tinyo mama food tango ni bedo piny twero bebe wek no kinen ket me chako doge kulok dojo.
Committee ene maki karoni, committee ni tie ara disease giti iye. One members me parliament wati iye. Religious leaders giti iye. Kono nyo cultural leaders giti iye. Local government iye. So
councillors LC3.
So these categories of people no gi bino bene kilo mogo mano gi chwake kien gang bene. Chidong ki chwako. Chidong ki no ni well chul mwane ni mir ki mete ki chuli paka wa ya giki.
Chul manu ki chako ne.
Chul mwane en
ma jone nyingi ti bot gamente.
Ma jone nyingi ti bot gamente ni.
Yes.
O mir ki chulo pian enu ni ki court case. Ento actually bene tiki koko food maduong ata about gamente. Ikien koko ti ieni dano mogo bene pego meke peke meti registering.
Yes, pegi choyo.
Pegi choyo gi ikom list magiti kere ni. Ikien koko ti ieni bene dano ki kwalo ki balo jimmy gi ki nego dano kito ching dano malis me jo mogo maguno rep one matek no me rebet bot la dito duom pian I remember remembering
ma wono meta ge chol kilo dira choli pian ken eno jo ma ge kwon cholo go bero jo madonga ken
mono jo me bombo case
ko bombo case ko mandong en man chol ma do chake tur i 29210 maka kwa ne nying lo dir ne wi ngarmo no 20 ngarmo pian giti highly place question na bero ni I chako cholo ki ngat mabe na tiyo igamente pingo pe chake la kin gang magi mone pe ge yako jemene ni disagreement chaka ka Kenya chi owero wano kok ni chole enong ge chol directly
ye account
pangate mone magamento winyo ene ka Kenya dong ge chako ni umiero chol dong o are from Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs o chia directly ye account pa claim ana chela Baramiro wachini process me kopo chol uchere through Ministry of Justice to account pangara chel okelo be luaka line borlo di romo karakara. Bienwe kono bien gimiro poko yellow card. Kono gimiro timo verification. Lo diro deno chan mamukene kago bieno collapsing we nyim office.
Ento challenges eno ma wabero kanene in the previous association chane. Do be gig magi karde churu chene ya account padano ni.
Now, that brings me to Kamakoni Megobilogo, enemy. Ne chake machuldo chake through Ministry of Justice in 2021. PNG transferring log machuldo in 2021, which are reaching ministry. We are po gitwalo senior state attorney nogeluone Uloka kuona ronyo. Ene no bero ngat matin chaj. Ubero ka were go chako kono verification kono ngogi mai no
yellow card
kono yellow card gi mano dano mere chan in the process entering ma dong en man ma anati parliament wan kimego ge wachako pushing gini anone wero ka ineno dani eno cha kirma la dir lobo bero ka tero ne bulu kany ma obieno record ma wano penyo kibot Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs Nyoroni, from that period to date, Chiane Magamento releasing Mecho Ludiang. Diepa Chole, Lao, Ke Teso. In total, billion mia chel ki piara bicha bungwen. E con billion mia chel ki piara bicha bungwen, well Chiane Magacholo ki Acholi, Ubermaron billion piara ngwen, here we are there. Actually about 43 point something billion. Meno magacholo ke achole teso uno madir lawyer about 60 something billion
chaka dog ni teso no madir lawyer achole
lao no about 47 billion something like that eno no bede ken ko ma wano